my name is Alma Harrison. I came from the Philippines. I am a licensed professional teacher in the elementary, and I teach all subjects. I worked for more than 3.5 years before I came here in the United States. But because of my passion to the kids, to the children, I applied at Anchorage, Alaska School District. I became a paraprofessional in Wonder Park Elementary School, working as in the SPED pre-K for more than 3 years. It's nearly 4 years actually. And now we move here in the lower 48. So I am trying to apply also online. I do not want to stop helping, educating the children, which I am passionate of because of my empathy, my sympathy